For PMP examination preparation, to understand the Agile guide as per the Agile practice, to understand Agile team formation. So in this video, actually, we'll be focusing on lesson 4, implementing Agile, or how to create an Agile environment. So in this video, we'll covering the lesson 4 of Agile practice guide, focusing on how to implement Agile. That means how to create a Agile environment. Good. Be with me. You will be understanding it easily. So, first of all, to understand the Agile environment, we should be asking questions repeatedly, few questions. So in this chapter, actually, we will get the answer of some questions like how can the project team act in an agile manner? What can the team deliver quickly and obtain early feedback to benefit the next delivery cycle? How can the team act in a transparent manner? What work can be avoided in order to focus on high priority items? And how can a servant leadership approach benefit the achievement of the team's goals? So let's start with how to empower the team. Servant leadership empowers the team. Servant leadership always empowers the team. How? By leading through service to the team. Servant leadership. Servant leaders always himself involved in the work. So he always empowers the team by leading through service to the team, by developing members, by enabling highest performance of each team members. And servant leadership always focus on the purpose. So each team member must have in mind why they are working. So they will be focusing on why question, why they are working, what is their vision, how they can achieve the best value. So same why questions will be in the minds of each team member. Then the people, so everyone can be successful. So each team member should be successful in Agile team. And here also we will focus on process for getting the results, not for the documentation, not for hierarchical bureaucracies, no. Mainly every team member focusing on the achieving results, and that's why you call it process of result oriented. And servant leaders, actually, what does it mean? He always tries to promote the self-awareness. He actively listens every team member. He serves those on the team to grow. He helps people to grow. He always gives coaching, not controlling. He actually promotes safety in the working environment. He ensures the respect in each team members and trust among the members. And he promotes the energy and intelligence of others. He actually tried to integrate agile mindset and value. We know the 4 agile mindset and values. He tries to ensure this. And always servant leadership facilitates and collaborate to deliver value. The main focus is to deliver the value as soon as possible with less resources. So in Agile team, everyone can learn and become capable, and they embrace the change and growth. Now, what are the responsibilities of servant leaders? Let's work on it. Servant leaders always facilitate. Servant leaders always facilitate by managing coordination, by facilitating coordination, by participatory and sharing environment, by having an interactive meeting, daily meeting, or by informal dialogue between them, and ensure the sharing knowledge environment, and communicate always better. They remove all the bottlenecks in communication. between the team and among the team. Servant leaders always remove organizational impediments. Servant leaders always remove the organizational impediments. How? By individual and interactions, not process or tools. By reducing extensive documentation, they focus only work and remove lengthy processes, reduce processes. By removing organizational impediments, whatever that is. That's the style of servant leaders. And servant leaders always ensure the interpersonal skills are used, not technical skills. Servant leaders always use the emotional intelligence. Servant leaders actually pave the way for other team members contribute. So each team member has some strength, hidden asset, capacity, skills. So servant leaders always ensures that each team member is putting his all efforts, all skill to reach to the goal or to achieve the value. Some more roles played by the servant leaders are: servant leaders always educate the stakeholders. He always mentoring others, and he ensures the quantitative risk analysis to deal with the risk and impediments. And he always celebrates the team success to inspire others. So role of the project manager in agile environment. We are talking about the servant leaders. Then what is the role of project manager in the agile environment? Somewhat unknown, or maybe different roles are there. Servant leadership is used by the project manager. So he uses servant leadership, not the center of coordination. Rather, he is the serving team. He works as a serving team. He ensures the cross-functional team work themselves and coordinate with product owner. So project manager ensures the environment that cross-functional team work themselves independently and coordinated with product owner regularly. So he ensures by fostering, coaching, aligning stakeholder needs to the value of the product. He also encourages distribution of role among team members. Now, how the team will be composite, how the team will be consist of. So in team composition, in agile team composition, actually we will be focusing on individual interactions. Individual interactions is important here. And we will create an environment where we will be a flow of value. So everyone will be working to get the value. And they ensure the repeat feature delivery. In each iteration, we will get some feedback for new feature adding to the product. So they always try to rapidly deliver the feature. We will not focus on how people are utilized. Rather, we will focus on people are more likely to collaborate. Everyone will be participatory and will be working as a collaboration process. And teams actually finishes valuable work faster. Agile team always finishes valuable work faster. And agile team always waste much less time because they do not multitask and have to re-establish context. They do not do any multitasking. They focus on the work in which he is expert on, and they do it as per the context and reach to the goal to achieve the value. Now we can see that how they can actually achieve the goal. It can be in different ways. So we'll see what are the attributes of the agile team. In agile team, actually everyone is dedicated people. Each team member is dedicated. There increased focus on productivity. Small team, fewer than 10 people. In agile team, actually cross-functional team members work better. They develop and deliver often. They develop product and deliver often. They deliver finished value as an independent team. They integrate all the work activities to deliver finished work. They provide feedback from inside the team and from others such as product owner. And also they see the team member should be in the cool location. So co-location or ability to manage any location challenges. They are expert on it. So Agile team members always make better communication. They improve team dynamics. They share their knowledges. They reduce the cost of learning. And they are able to commit to working with each other. And in Agile team also mixed team of generalists and specialists. Normally generalists are emphasized here. So specialists provide dedicated expertise and generalists provide flexibility of who does what. So team brings their specialist capabilities, often become generalizing specialists with a focused specialty plus breadth of experience across multiple skills. So they are stable work environment. So depend on each other to deliver. They agree upon each approach to the work. They simplify team cost calculation, run rate, and preservation and expansion of intellectual capital also there. So the specialist on one specific task and also have general knowledge in other aspect of task. These sort of members are encouraged in Agile team. So how is Agile teams? Agile teams, as I have shown you in the table, now I am discussing it again. Agile team always focus on rapid product development. Normally 3 to 9 members work together, ideally co-located. Even if they are not co-located, they communicate it by using various ICT tools. They are 100% dedicated and they are self-managing. They always thrive with servant leadership. That means they work themselves to pay the path for others and they help each others, they share each others, they work in a participatory manner, collaboration they use. So a cross-functional Agile team produces functional product increments frequently, quickly, and they collaborate by pairing, swarming and moving. Pairing means 2 persons work together with the same skill. Swarming means more than 2 members from different groups. They work together for achieving a specific goal. Moving means all the team members work to achieve one goal at a time together. That's called moving. So pairing 2 persons, swarming more than 2 persons from different team, and moving means each member of each team together. So they use this sort of pairing, swarming, moving style to achieve the goal, to increase value, to rapid delivery. And they do not get in a trap of waterfall, like one step, then another step, then another step. No. They always work on achieving the goal together with full force. And they deliver small finished products, not whole. So now we'll be seeing the role of team members, product owner and team facilitator. You see the table here, the role of functional team members. Actually team members will be with all skills like designers, developer, tester and others. They work together. And team members will be professionals who delivers on a regular cadence. And team members will be critical to deliver finished work in shortest possible time. And team members will ensure high quality with external dependencies. And how will be the product owner? The role of product owner is to guide the direction of the product. The role of product owner is to guide the direction of product. Product owner ranks the work based on business value. Product owner always work daily with team provide feedback. Each day he takes feedback and gives feedback. Product owner always have a business background and subject matter expert. He is a subject matter expert and he has a business background. Product owner take consultation from experts too, in which he is not expert. Product owner always needs training. Product owner create backlogs for the team and create backlogs with the team. Product owner creates success factors to achieve the goal, to reach to the value. So now the role of team facilitator. Team facilitator is a survey leader or a project manager or the scrum master or a project team lead or team facilitator, whatever you name, but the work will be same. Team facilitator try to use the skills of coaching, facilitation, impediment removal. His job is remove all sort of impediment. And team facilitator always do the external coaches. They can bring external coaches because external coaches have advantage of experiences and disadvantage also has disadvantage of relationship. On the other hand, internal coach has a strong relationship with the team members but may lack experience in the field. So we can make a combination of it to achieve the best goal. And in Agile team actually, we generalize the specialist. What does it mean? It means Agile team made up generalizing specialist or a T-shaped people. In T-shaped people actually they focus on specialty in one sector, one issue, plus a breadth and diverse experience he has. So in many aspects, many subjects, he has knowledge of each skills he has some knowledge. He can manage in every aspect. But in one skill he is expert. So a focused specialty, also a breadth and diverse experience is the style of T-shaped people. So T-shaped people are embraced, accepted in the Agile team. A single person throughput is not relevant. Throughput means how many tasks a person does in a specific time. So a single person throughput is not relevant. Rather, teamwork to optimize quick delivery of value is important. So they focus on teamwork. The all team members together, how much production done. That's the focus. So they work on small batches. They maintain the flow efficiency, each flow to the value, optimizing the throughput of the entire team. The product owner's job is to make sure the team works on the highest value work. The product owner, his job is to make sure the team works on a highest value work. Now the team structure. How will be the team structure? It will be a cross-functional team to iteratively develop working products. There will be a cross-functional team. And instead of having all team members co-located, some organizations have distributed or dispersed teams. Distributed teams. Distributed teams have cross-functional teams in different locations. They have cross-functional teams in different locations. Teams in different locations. So in this place one team, another place another team. So cross-functional team in different location. On the other hand, dispersed teams may have each team member working in completely different location. Each team member working in completely different location. That's called dispersed teams. And now dedicated team members. There will be 100% in Agile team. There will be 100% dedicated team to perform better. When each of team members allocates on one project and collaborate and work participatory manner, their work is effective. And multitasking reduces the actually performance. So they do not do the multitasking. They focus on one work, finish it, then focus on another work, finish it. By this way, they actually increase the efficiency. Multitasking actually slow down. They do not do it. Now the team workspace. How should be the workplace of the team? Some team members may work in one room. some work in separate room or spaces. So whatever that is, we should make an environment quiet and uninterrupted room so that team member can work with full attention. So quiet and uninterrupted space for work is necessary. And geographically distributed workspace can be, but combination of physical and virtual also needed. Depends on the necessity. So creating a fishbowl window by setting up long live video conference can help there. In virtual team, creating a fishbowl window by setting up a long live video conferencing, and setting up remote pairing by using virtual conferences tools to share screens or including voices as if they are talking voice to voice. That also helps in virtual team working. And now, how we can overcome the organization silos? Actually, if the people work in silos, if the organizational silos are there, actually they impediment the process. So foundational trust and safe work environment should be there. In Agile team, there should be a foundational trust and safe work environment. An equal voice and should be heard. Everyone, each team member should be heard. Their voice should be addressed. Siloed organization actually create impediments for forming cross-functional Agile teams. So we should make an harmonious environment workspace, either co-located or they use virtual process, but they should have a connection as if they are working together. So creating team synergy, leveraging the people to optimize the project is very important. So we should remove the organization silos. We should create an harmonious environment, comfortable environment, team environment, so that each one feel that their ownership in the work, each one works for the value to achieve the goal. And that's all for this part. Thank you so much. In next part, we will be discussing lesson 5 of Agile Practice Guide.